Today I am going to unbox Samsung Metro 313 feature phone. So this is the parcel I got from Amazon. So let me open it. So this is the phone. So I am going to open it. The MRP is 2340. So I bought it in Amazon for rupees 2025. So let me open it. So it is sealed. So this is the phone inside box. It is gold color. This is the phone. So there is a charger for it. This is the charger. And this is the battery. Battery is 1000 mAh. Display is 2-inch. And there is a headset available. And also a user manual is found inside. This is the warranty card. It comes with 1 year warranty. So I will put the battery inside. It has a 0.3 MP camera. Then it has a storage of 8 MB and it is expandable up to 16 GB. It has features like camera, FM, Bluetooth, torch, media player, etc. Very good looking, gold color. Worth for the price. One of the best feature phones. And already I have using the same phone for the more than 5 years. It's a blue color and this one I have bought is for gold color. I have bought the same phone for my auntie. Okay, nice one. It has also Facebook also available inside. Okay, thank you.